In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and use Microsoft Teams to enhance your communication and collaboration with your team. First things first, let's head over to teams.microsoft.com. Having a Microsoft account is essential here, so if you haven't signed up for one yet, take a moment to do so. Once you have your account credentials ready, sign in. You'll be greeted by a dashboard designed to improve team productivity and streamline communication. Here, you'll see various groups that you're a part of. Take a moment to click on your selected group. Each group acts as a central hub where you can engage with your teammates on different projects or tasks. With your group selected, you'll find a diverse array of features at your disposal. Let's delve into these features to make the most out of your Microsoft Teams experience. One of the first features you'll notice is the ability to @mention someone. This is a powerful way to capture someone's attention within a group chat. Simply type the @r symbol followed by the person's name, and Microsoft Teams will notify them of your message. This is perfect for when you need a prompt response or need to direct a question to a specific person within the group. Another feature you might want to explore is the ability to start a call. Sometimes, typing out every detail isn't the most efficient way to communicate, particularly for complex discussions. By clicking the call icon, you can initiate a voice or video call directly within the app. This instant connection can save you a lot of time and allows for more nuanced discussions. If you're collaborating on files or projects, sharing files within the group is incredibly straightforward. You can simply drag and drop documents into the conversation window or use the Attach button to navigate to and select the desired files. This feature ensures everyone in your group has the documents they need, fostering a more integrated workflow. Lastly, don't forget about the reactions. Communication is not just about exchanging words. Sometimes a simple thumbs up or smiley face can convey your thoughts more effectively. By hovering over a message, you'll see options to add various reactions. This feature helps to keep the chat lively, engaging, and helps you acknowledge messages or ideas without breaking the flow of conversation. Mastering these features will allow you to interact with your team in dynamic and meaningful ways. Hopefully, you now feel more confident navigating Microsoft Teams, making your group collaborations more engaging and efficient. As you become more familiar with these tools, they'll soon become an integral part of your team's communication strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy teaming!